How to blow a grass trumpet.
We in the music scene call that a grumpet, you dig?
You'll need a wide blade of grass and your thumbs. Step 1. Pick a blade of grass. The wider, the better. Step 2. Hold the grass on its side between your thumbs. Step 3. Blow into the space between your thumbs. The grass will vibrate and make a trumpet sound.
I love the sweet sounds of the grumpet. Add some drums and a guitar, and you got yourself a grass band. You dig?
Do the grass trumpet dance.